In this video, I'll show you how you can fix Apex Legends is stuck in the loading screen. The first step is you want to come here and search for Task Manager. Go to Details. In here you want to look for Apex Legends and close the task, and also look for Origin and close the task. Once you make sure that you closed all of that, what you want to do is head over to Steam. Now I don't currently have Apex installed on this PC because I'm not on my laptop, but what you want to do is you want to right click on Apex Legends, Properties, Installed Files, and Verify Integrity of Game Files. After that you want to press Browse, head over to Common, find Apex Legends and find the .exe application to launch the game. After you do that, yours might be called a little bit different, like Apex Legends or Apex Launcher or Apex something, but just find the launcher to open the game. After that you want to right click on it, Properties, Compatibility, and then you want to activate these two. Press Apply and OK, and then you can close it down. Try and launch it now and see if that works. If it still doesn't, search for CMD, right click Run as an administrator. In here type ipconfig //DNS, enter, and then type net sh winsock reset and enter. Now once you've done this, you want to restart your PC, and now hopefully it should work. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.